What's up, everybody? Check it out. We got a realtor here. I don't know.
How's it going?
You good on camera?
Well, I'm good.
All right.
I'm good. I mean, I don't know if they'll like me, but
This is Holden. What's your last name?
Holden Budge.
He's a realtor up here in Idaho. So, if you need anything, look him up.
I'm happy to help.
Yeah. So he's helped us. Basically, let's reveal it here. So we are purchasing this house. Now, there's a few things we got to do. They put in this, so it's working right now. So we got to go see why it's on. But they installed a mini split. That was one of the requirements for us to get going, and the inspection, all the stuff we had to do. There was a little list of things they needed to finish up, and that's what we're doing today.
Exactly.
We're gonna go through the property. We're gonna take our shoes off though, because we got in some mud. But we're gonna scope the property here real quick. We'll walk around with you and kind of show you a few things. But I filmed a bunch of other stuff prior. I think I'm just gonna use this video as the video that reveals the house.
They didn't have this porch light, and that one's in.
Oh, that's,
so that's
right.
good.
That's right. There was not a light in that fixture, so we required that they kind of did that.
Looks good.
There was also, oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, there was a crack in the drywall. You can still kind of,
Yeah, it's
and you can still kind of.
a heck of a lot better though. Huh?
They didn't do the best. They didn't do a Kurt Shelley job on it. I probably would have hired somebody to do a better job, but they did it. They did it. I think, but they didn't do this yet.
Yeah, they.
So that was supposed to come out and be fixed.
He just shot me a message. I think 2 of those 12 items, just on the way over at 1140. I talked to Troy. He's still working on the vent above the stove and needs to finish the board by the electrical box.
Perfect.
That panel. So
Perfect.
2 of 12 said we'll be done by this weekend.
Awesome. So that's good news. That's why we came up though, because we heard they were doing a bunch. The dishwasher here was not mounted. So, oh yeah, she's all mounted in there, the lines. It was just sitting here. It wasn't even ready to go. So that's in. Now, let's go check it out. So we're gonna finish this. That was in our agreement that we're gonna finish the mantle here on the fireplace. Yeah, it's got some central vac. But this place here we're gonna rent it out. This is another thing we were looking at here is the door. There was yep, it looks like they fixed that. They had to replace this little mechanism here to keep the door. It's a double door, so you can pull those up, and this door won't open. So if we need to pull in some equipment, but that now works.
Yep, now that's in there.
Where prior it was broke. So that's good news. We like that. Then we've got this bedroom here. This is one of the, let me check, make sure I don't got no mud on my pants. I might have a little mud on my pants here. Let me roll my pants up.
Yeah.
So one good thing about this place is the ceilings. The ceilings are really tall, so if we need to
10 foot, I think.
Yeah, I think I read that in the description. But if we need to put taller beds, like a triple bunk or something, it's an option. Ooh, we're gonna look at the bathroom again. I've already got all these videoed, but I just didn't do a very good job the first time around. So, anyways, this will be the first look at our new investment, purchasing this Airbnb. Well, it's a second home for us, but we're gonna be renting it out on the Airbnb. So, look at these. Oh, look at that view. And Holden's been very patient with us. This is our third place, basically. We've been looking at.
Those are rookie numbers compared to how long it takes to sell Kurt. So you're good.
All right, so this is the front room, like I said. So this is the kitchen, the front room area. Then we got a little pantry here. This will kind of be like maybe a coffee bar here, and then your little pantry. Man, that's a big pantry. Like, you can just put a lot of food
here. You cut yourself short. That's a pretty sweet pantry.
We should just cut it off and put a bed in. No, just we're not gonna stack beds upon beds. But there's plenty of room. We can have crock pot, toaster, whatever. If you guys, do you guys like toaster strudels? What would you get a toaster in here? You guys can have toaster strudels. And check this out. This gives you little ice balls here. So if you come up, got a water bottle, one of the, what are they called? The
Stanleys.
Stanleys. Yeah. Yep. You got a little Stanley type of deal. You just throw some ice in there.
I didn't know there was such a thing as high-end ice, but that's it.
I think that's the high-end ice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you say? What was the other item on there? This door lock?
Yeah,
Or no?
that's actually a good point. Let me remind them they're supposed to have a latch, unless they did it on.
No, I don't see any. So,
Yeah.
yeah, maybe remind him of that. He's gonna send them a text. But here's your. This will be like the laundry room. They got to put a little board in here. They're gonna, so we have access to some of the wires. But they're gonna put an access there. And then here, oh, there's the back patio. Here's the master bedroom. So one thing about this place that we're trying to do is we're gonna try to put 3 king beds in here. So this will be one of the rooms with the king bed. Here's your bathroom, master bath, all this stuff. Here's a kind of a huge closet space. And there's a door here. So with this door here, I think we might put a couple bunks right here. Yeah, I think so. All right, let's go check out upstairs real quick. So we showed you the first 2 rooms. One of those rooms will be a king. And then we'll go show you this room real quick, and then we'll be done filming so we can walk around with Holden and double check some of these things real quick. Oh, this is the room where the mini split got installed, so let's check it out. So this room right here will be another room where we put a king bed. Whoa, yeah, look at that. It's set at 62.
Ooh, that feels nice.
Look at that, it's working.
Lennox, powered by Samsung.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh. So it's just kind of, it's working. So it's just
It
on
gives you
and
hot
on.
and cool, so
Yeah.
summer, winter, come stay.
Hot and cold. This room, like I said, another kind of room with a king bed. Probably have some kind of pull-out couch bed / if you got some kids that want to stay with you too. So some additional bedding, and then we've got this has not really a full bath, a 3/4
Right.
bath, but dude, yeah,
I like those big tiles.
I do too. I like this bathroom. It's a good bathroom.
Sick. Yeah.
So, anyways, that's the house. There's 4 bedrooms, so we're gonna try to configure it. So, but stay along, like, come along with us if you're interested in renting this out. We're gonna be up here working on it because we still have to furnish it. Once we furnish it, then we'll get the link. Then we'll, but I'm gonna make a series on like us coming up, furnishing it. So stay tuned, check the progress, and then you too, here shortly, will be able to come up here to the beautiful Idaho side of Bear Lake. We're about 12 minutes basically from North Beach.
Exactly. Hop, skipping, and jump at the most.
25 minutes to Garden City. So right here. Plus, what else is there to do up there?
I mean, you got ice caves in Paris. You got Minnetonka Cave,
Ice Caves.
Bloomington Lake. Although all the locals are probably gonna skin me for spreading the secret of some of these local treasures. Don't tell anyone.
Okay, well that's just for you Airbnbers. So
Exactly.
just, like, make sure you rent it, and then you can come up here and be like, "Yo,
Yeah.
we're staying right here in Bloomington." But
It's-
we're in Bloomington.
Yeah.
That's where we're at. So
It's paradise.
I have never been up here with my family, but my family loves to go to Bloomington Lake. There's a rope swing, cliff jumping.
Yeah, there is.
Cliff jumping. It's cold.
It's a glacier lake.
It's cold.
7,700 foot elevation or something. 78, I think.
But there's a ton of trails. If you're into side-by-sides, you got Jeeps, you got four-wheelers, motorcycles.
Motorbikes, yeah.
Tons of ATV trails access. We'll show you those here in future videos because we're gonna be up here and we're gonna explore so that we can advertise.
It's a gateway to a lot of fun. I like it.
So if you don't want to be right in the town of Garden City, we'll be here.
Right. It's still not further to
20
get to
minutes.
the lake than, you're in Garden City, you got to find a public beach somewhere.
Yep.
It's a pretty sweet
so
setup.
North Beach is the main, probably closest spot, but
And I think the best one at the lake,
yeah,
personally.
we'll show you that. I've got footage of that, so maybe I'll clip that in here. But anyways, have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video where we bring some. We'll probably have this thing closed on and bringing up some furniture. I don't even care if it's just one little chair. We're gonna do something. So
Furnished.
we gotta get going fast. See ya.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way